All right, we are starting off with 3 pounds of our ground beef in our sheet pan. This is just a standard sized sheet pan, and we are just flattening this out from edge to edge so we have a thin layer of our meat. All right, that looks perfect. We can remove our gloves. I'm gonna season this up super quick with the Kinders, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder, but you can season this however you like. Oh, that looks amazing. And then we have one more thing we're gonna add to our ground beef, and that is my double cheddar cheese slices. Now you can use whatever cheese slices you like. I just thought that this double cheddar looked absolutely delicious, and we're gonna we'll start with 2 in each row, and if we have extra, we'll add it into the middle, but I think this is gonna be absolutely perfect. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a great lunch dinner, and I think we can probably just have these and put it right in the middle. Look at that, the perfect amount of cheese, even if I do say so myself. All right, last little bit. Perfect. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, while our ground beef is in the oven, I'm gonna grab another sheet pan, and I have 12 eggs that I cracked, and we're gonna put those right onto our greased sheet pan. And now this is gonna go into the oven right next to our ground beef for about 20 minutes. All right, we just pulled out our hamburger and our eggs. I'm coming in with my family size Hawaiian king rolls. And I did go ahead and pre-cut these. It's okay if they don't stick together, and we're just gonna move those tops to the side. And then I have our hamburger here, and we did drain most of that grease, but we're gonna go ahead and grab our spatula and transfer our meat right into our buns. Beautiful. All right, and I have my eggs here. And for the eggs, I'm gonna grab my little circle cookie cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and cut out our eggs just like so. We'll do that with a couple of these the best we can. It doesn't need to be perfect. Grab our spatula, and I did grease our pan, and we're gonna transfer our eggs right on top of our beef patty, just like so. Perfect. Ooh, that looks good. You can't have breakfast without bacon, so I bought some fully cooked bacon, and we're kind of just lining that up right on top of our eggs. Oh my goodness, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love that burger from Red Robin that has the egg and the bacon on it. It is my absolute favorite, and that's what inspired this recipe. This is gonna be kind of more for a game day or a lunch, because you'll be able to feed a couple people with this, which is why it is so great. All right, I think we can do 2 more slices. So we used almost 2 packages. And I like lettuce with this, so we're gonna add some romaine lettuce, and I just cut up the crunchy parts because I like the crunchy parts, but you can use whatever lettuce you like. You could skip the lettuce, you could add some onions, some pickles, whatever you like on your burger or on your breakfast sandwiches, you can go ahead and use. And Juggy actually likes lettuce, so that's why he's crying right now, because he thinks he deserves some extra lettuce. But we are gonna use a good amount of this lettuce. It's just gonna really freshen up this easy lunch. That looks great. And no burger is complete without some tomatoes, so we're gonna go ahead and just stack this mile high. And we use some beautiful vine ripe tomatoes. Oh my goodness, and I think we cut the perfect amount. Yum. All right, and I went ahead and put some mayo on our tops of our bun, and we're just gonna put those right on top of our tomatoes so that we can complete our breakfast sliders. Oh my goodness, I told you these were gonna be stacked. All right, it's time to dig in. I am way too excited. I have my knife here, and I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cut a double slider because I'm hungry. Ooh, yeah, look at that. The egg, the bacon, the patty, that is looking so good. Whew. Okay, let's give it a try. Try to get everything all in one bite.
Is it good?
Perfect.